Welcome to the batch watermarking tutorial for real-world photos. Start the application and switch to the batch page. The upper part of the window shows the available batch operations. Select the active operation by clicking on it. The lower part of the window has multiple purposes. Click on the Source Files tab to choose the images to process. As you can see, an ordinary Windows Explorer window with all its features, including thumbnails, stands at your disposal. I'll select 4 images and click the Process button. The third tab shows the processing clock. For now, switch to the Processed Files tab, the first one, to see the watermarked images. Here you can see the semi-transparent text added to the image. It is the file name of the image. I'll delete the watermarked files for now. You can also drag and drop files or folders to batch process them. Look what happens when I drop files on the grayscale operation. That operation was used instead of the active one. Drop files on empty space to use the active operation. Double-click an operation to configure it. You can change its name, but the more important thing is the operation field. It is set to sequence and it has 2 steps in our case. First, a watermark is added, and second, the file is saved. You can customize the output folder and file name. By default, the result is saved to a temporary folder, the Processed Files tab. If you want to override the original pictures, change the word batch to folder. I'll get back to the watermark configuration. You can set the position, margins, and opacity level of the watermark. I'll increase the opacity to 100%. This control is for logo watermarking. I'll get to it later. The text watermark you can use plain text and placeholders. You can see the placeholders for file name and extension. In the lower part of the window are some more options for text. I'll change the angle parameter and we'll see what happens. As you can see, the text was rotated by the given angle. The same with the other picture. Now let's try image watermarks. I do not have a suitable image at hand, so I'll pick the roof texture that comes with the application as my logo watermark. I'll also set the opacity to 50%. Let's process a couple of pictures and have a look at them. The watermark is there. And on the other picture as well. You can drag and drop pictures directly from your favorite file manager or photo album. Let's try it. The watermark was added. Now it's time to simplify things. Click the Create Droplet button. You are about to create a tiny executable file that will serve as a shortcut to the batch operation. There are a couple of options in the window. Make sure to get familiar with them. They can be quite useful. Also note that I am saving the droplet to my desktop. I'll minimize the windows to have a look at my desktop. Here is the created droplet. I can drag and drop files on the droplet and they will be watermarked. Real-world Photos doesn't need to be running. Note that the destination folder was automatically opened after the processing had finished. You can of course drag and drop multiple files or folders at once. It is no problem. That is all. Adding watermarks to JPEG image in real-world Photos does not lower the image quality. This is not the case with other watermarking software. Thanks for watching.